I'm just going to teach you how to take ChatGPT and create a 30-minute exercise in less than 2 minutes. So basically what I want to help you do is teach your students how to use vocab in a quick way, and also to make it engaging for them as quickly as possible. So let's say I go to ChatGPT. The first thing I'm going to do is I need a glossary. So here I'm going to create a glossary based on 10 terms. This is very important, and I'm going to choose the topic of travel. So this will help us to have important material to work from. Okay, and we can see it working. So this is especially helpful if you have a topic that where either you don't have a textbook or you don't have a lot of materials in the textbook. I would recommend using this as a warm-up activity or a pre-teaching activity. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come up here, I'll copy all of my glossary, Control-C, there we go, and then I'm going to come over and I'm going to go create flashcards in Quizlet. So I'm using Quizlet in conjunction with Chat GPT. So make sure you have a Quizlet account, that you've signed up, and so on. So I'm going to create flashcards. Okay. And there's different ways to do that, but I'm going to do import, and this is one way to do it. So I'm going to put in import data. Okay. So as you can see, it does not include the numbers, which is actually good for us. We don't want it to include the numbers. We just want to have the data here. So then you need to be between term and definition. You need to have custom, because you can see we have the dash there. So we're going to put that in there. And what that's going to do is that's going to separate them down here. So before, all of the information was on the left side. So okay, we're going to click import. Okay, and create a new study set. So we're going to call this travel vocab. 10 terms about traveling, and then we will click create. Now it's going to say you need to choose a term language to create a set. So you go to choose language and English, and then we click create. Okay, nice and ready to share. So I can send this via email. I can copy the link. So if you have an LMS like Canvas or Blackboard, you can do it like that. Google Classroom, Remind, share on MS Teams, you add to the class folder. So if you've created a class, you've created folders for those classes, you can add to them. So I'm just gonna X out of this for now, just to show you what students can do. So now students can practice by themselves with self-study activities. So they can do flashcards in which they'll click here and they basically just flip it. Simple. To practice, they can do learn. So this kind of quizzes them. Okay, so you click that. Okay, and then it tells them, so you can do learn. They can also do a match game. Okay. Vacation spent at home, staycation. And students, if they're signed up this time, will be competitive between them and other students. So that's a really nice feature. They can test themselves. They can do Q-Chat, which is actually very good. I'm going to do a separate video on that, but Q-Chat is an excellent tool. But Classic Live and Checkpoint you can use in your classes. So you click Classic Live, random teams, select. So then you show students this information, or they have a QR code and they play as teams, and that's another way to do it. So this is just an easy way to take 2 to 3 minutes of prep, and you will have up to 30-40 minutes of activities the students can do in class if they have technologies. So again, start with Chat GPT with a glossary. Okay, now you might want to check these terms, make sure that they are what you want, and then you finish up with Quizlet, and it does not take long at all. You can do this literally in less than 5 minutes and have materials for up to 20-30 minutes, even longer, in class if you need them. So check out my videos, more videos on how to use AI in language teaching. I hope this has been helpful to you, and have a great day.